Tired of expensive gaming rigs? Here's how to play your favorite PC games for free, forever, using Nvidia GeForce Now. First, head over to the Nvidia GeForce Now website. Search for it on your favorite search engine. Alternatively, type the address directly into your browser. Once you're there, be sure to look for the Join Today or similar button. Click on this to begin creating your account. Next, you'll need to create an Nvidia account. If you don't already have one, this is the backbone of your GeForce Now experience. So make sure to provide a valid email address and set a strong password. Complete all the registration fields. Accurately agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now, let's talk subscriptions. GeForce Now offers different membership tiers. Look specifically for the free option. This is what we're after. It's completely free to use, but keep in mind there might be queue times, especially during peak hours. Consider other options if you want better performance. However, this tutorial is for free users. After creating your account and understanding the free tier, download and install the GeForce Now app. This application will serve as your gateway to the cloud gaming magic and should be available for your operating system. Launch the GeForce Now app and log in with the account you just created. Browse the game library. You'll find a huge selection PC games available to play through the cloud. Click on the game you want. Once you've selected your game, you might be prompted to connect to your account for a specific game service, such as Steam, Epic Games Store, or Ubisoft Connect. Make sure you own the game on associated game service. Then, the game will launch, running directly from NVIDIA servers, ready to play. Enjoy your free gaming experience.